In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image inside a frame in Canva. If you've ever dropped a photo into a frame and it didn't sit quite right, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to fine-tune its position and size so it looks polished and intentional. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on screen, locate the frame that already contains your image. Frames act like windows or masks, showing only the parts of your image that fit inside their shape. To begin adjusting, simply double-click directly on the image inside the frame. You'll see the image become active with a bounding box and handles around it, which means you're now in editing mode and ready to make changes. To reposition the image within the frame, click and drag the photo. Move it left or right, up or down, until the most important part of the photo is centered or aligned the way you want. Keep an eye on how the edges of the frame crop the image. This is a great way to highlight a face, a product, or any focal point without changing the frame's shape. If the image feels too large or too small inside the frame, use the corner handles to resize. Click and drag a corner inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Sticking to the corner handles preserves the image's proportions, so you won't accidentally stretch or squish it. Adjust gradually, releasing the mouse to check how it sits, then fine-tuning until the composition looks balanced. As you work, think about visual hierarchy and breathing room. For example, if there's text nearby, leave a little space between the subject of your photo and the frame edge so everything feels clean and readable. If you need more precision, make small, gentle drags rather than big jumps, and watch how the important details land within the frame. When you're happy with the position and size, simply click once outside the frame to return to the regular editing view. Your adjustments are saved automatically, and the frame will display the image exactly as you positioned it. That's all there is to it. Double-click to enter, drag to reposition, and use the corner handles to resize. With just these simple moves, you can transform how your photos look inside any frame in Canva and bring your design together with a professional finish.